Brittany.
And I'm Dustin, and we're with Frontier Basement Systems.
Hey, Dustin. Okay, so tell me about this warranty insurance.
Yeah, so we're actually the only company in all of Middle Tennessee and Southwestern Kentucky that offers warranty insurance. So everybody gets a warranty of some type, whether it be with your vehicle or with a home improvement repair. You're getting a warranty on an item, and that could be miscellaneous things from the parts, the labor, whatever. But what happens when that business goes out of business or they sell? There's been a couple of companies throughout Nashville that have sold to some larger companies and some other companies that have been coming in. So, what happens when those mergers happen? Do you continue with your insurance? Now, we don't plan on going anywhere. Obviously, we've been a family-owned and operated business for well over 15 years, and Lane's been a licensed general contractor since he was 19, and I'm not going to talk about how old he is. So,
pretty sure the math is well over 35 years.
Yeah. So anyway, the warranty insurance that we offer, we're nationally backed, and we're the only ones that are nationally backed in the Nashville area, and that's a super big deal because if something were to happen to Lane, Judy, and I, or something were to happen, years and years down the road, you're still covered, and we're still taking care of you, and Frontier will still be here for life because we have over 250 other dealers that we'd be more than happy to take care of anything if anything were to ever go wrong. So we're just wanting to let you know that we do have warranty insurance, that is a thing, and I think that's a big deal.
It's a lot of value.
Yeah,
definitely.
So we're here for you. If you need anything at all, if you've got any basement waterproofing problems, if you've got crawl space problems, if you've got foundation issues, or if you've got concrete that just needs to be lifted and leveled, we're here to give you a free estimate. We're happy to do so. Give us a call toll free at 1-866-682-4420 or
1-too-much H2O.
You guys have a happy holidays.
Bye.